This is for electrical for beginners in automation. There's going to be some electrical calculations, and you're going to have to understand ohms and voltage and milliamps and amps and millivolts, and you'll have to understand ohms. And say you're doing a sizing a motor or an instrument, they want to know what the voltage drop is on the wire. Say you had a current loop and you have too many ohms of resistance, that's the loads you put on the circuit, and you want to add another instrument, they want to know how to do that. And you have to use a repeater, a current repeater, and they want to know how many ohms there are, etc. And 250 ohm resistors for remote set points on controllers. So we need to understand basic electrical, and mechanical and chemical and beginners probably don't have this. So I put together a video series from the engineering mindset, extremely professional, really good animation. I created a video playlist because they wouldn't let me create a video. There was a copyright infringement there, and I had to take it down. So I created a video playlist. And if you come to learncontrolsystems.com and you click on Control Systems Exam, Video Review Course, or the image, and that will take you to the Control Systems Review page. Now this is Control Systems Review, HTM. And here we have the specifications for the exams. Here's a video playlist. There we go. It loaded up now. There's a video playlist, and we have our video playlist. And what we're looking for is 9A, and it'll be Electrical Basics Part 2 of 2. And since I couldn't create a video that played in the list, I've created this video and I've added a playlist below. And this playlist is Basic Electricity for Beginners in Automation. And there's 20 videos. And these videos take you through everything. So you can watch this on the learncontrolsystems.com webpage, or at the bottom of this video there's a link, and we have the YouTube page which lists all the videos in the playlist. It's about 2 hours. That's not too long to learn the basics of electricity, and you'll really understand the basics when you're done. It really covers everything. The main thing you need is how electricity works, so you can understand what it is, what current is, and what voltage is. You're going to need Ohm's law, and you should understand DC circuits and parallel circuits. And it wouldn't hurt to get into the introduction of 120 and 240 volt electricity for power distribution and what that is in your control panels. But this starts at the beginning. It explains diodes, capacitors, inductors, great animation, grounding, three-phase, what three-phase is and how it's generated, frequency drives, and even down to power factor and what power factor is and power factor correction. Power factor is beyond our course. In frequency drives, you may be asked, there's a volts-hertz relationship, and your volts have to vary. You can't just vary the voltage and turn down the voltage to slow down a motor. You have to vary the voltage with the frequency. So we use frequency to slow down the motor. If we left the voltage at full voltage, it would cause too much current, and we'd have saturation, magnetic saturation, and we'd start slipping. We couldn't drive the load, couldn't produce the torque. So you may have a question about volts-hertz relationship and saturating the motor. So we cover frequency drives as well. And you need to understand what three-phase electric is and basically how it works. And this is about all you need. You may be interested in transformers. These are all real short. Most of them are like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. So it's not much to go through these. These are pretty fast. Okay. Well, just click on the link below and in the YouTube playlist, and I got a link to it underneath this page, or go to the control systems review and you can watch it in here. Say you're watching these and you want to see it in full screen. All you got to do is just click on this right here, and this will make it full screen. So these are really professional animation when they show you how this works, and really good. They go through all the calculations you're going to need and explain what everything is. Okay, that's about it.